Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Ads for mobile advertising. So basically, Google Ads is a product that you can use to promote your business, help sell products or services, raise awareness, and increase traffic to your website. Google Ads accounts are managed online, so you can create and change your ad campaign at any time, including your ad text, settings, and budget. Google Ads is essentially creating video ads for your business or channel. Now, to use Google Ads for desktop, so you will click desktop or click mobile. So for you to learn more details on how to use Google Ads for advertising, you can watch our previous video on how to use Google Ads for local business. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.